Report on Ukrainian Counteroffensive and Strategic Operations Introduction. Today's most significant news comes from the KSK direction, where Ukrainian forces have launched an extensive shaping operation in preparation for a renewed offensive southeast of Saja. The operation aims to target Russian command posts, artillery, and logistics to undermine the Russian military response, strategic strikes, and gains. Ukrainian precision strikes successfully disrupted the Russian command structure, allowing Ukrainian forces to consolidate their gains and push further than initially anticipated. The counteroffensive efforts south of Suda began with precision strikes targeting Russian artillery units, frontline logistics, and command posts. Key actions and impact command post strikes. Ukrainian forces detected and launched a precision strike against a Russian command post using ATTM missiles. This resulted in the elimination of key Russian officers responsible for coordinating operations in KSK. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelenskyy later confirmed that dozens of Russian and North Korean officers were killed in the attack, severely undermining Russian command and control. Artillery targeting. Ukrainian forces aimed to weaken Russian artillery support capabilities. Geolocated footage showed Ukrainian drone operators successfully destroying a rare Russian Tu-S-42 Malva self-propelled gun with an FP-5 kamikaze drone. Additional footage showed the destruction of a Russian Grad multiple rocket launch system. Logistics disruptions. Ukrainian forces targeted Russian logistical and reinforcement routes near the front lines. The attacks caused Russian frontline positions to experience shortages in manpower and ammunition before Ukrainian assaults. Combat footage revealed successful strikes on Russian force accumulations and reinforcement routes, weakening their defensive capacity. Objectives and future strategy. The primary objective for Ukrainian forces in the coming days is to capitalize on their recent gains. By maintaining pressure, they aim to expand their control area to create a buffer zone south of Suda, prevent Russian forces from launching assaults on the town, secure positions along the Sel River to fortify defenses and block Russian advances. Given the threat posed by Russian fiber optic controlled drones, which are resistant to electronic countermeasures, Ukrainian forces opted against mechanized assaults. Instead, they utilized forest cover to protect their movements and effectively neutralize Russian resistance in the forest belts near their gains. Conclusion: Ukrainian forces have conducted a highly effective shaping operation, leading to significant territorial gains. The successful decapitation of the Russian command structure, strikes on artillery and counter-battery capabilities, and disruption of Russian logistics have played a crucial role in their momentum. Continued operations in this area will allow Ukraine to advance further east while establishing a strong defensive line along the Sel River. Call for support for those supporting Ukraine's defense and independent journalism. Additional resources, strategic insights, and analysis can be accessed through independent news platforms.